Hi there, this video's live, very intense, extreme gale force winds walk, weather forecast, Brattle Forest, UK2023. If you like this video, please a thumbs up, time to motor distance at the moment. It's approximately an hour long distance, 11:38 AM in the morning, and it is the, wow, you name it guys.
It's lovely, isn't it?
It's lovely, it's the
we're just walking Swindley Forest,
10th
just on the edge
March
of Forest.
of 2023. Yeah, Swindley Forest, Gavin says. That's Gavin's picture.
Mobile communication tower way over there.
Yeah, we are, definitely Gavin.
Walking past an area where they've been doing some logging, managing the forest appropriately.
Loads there, guys. There's loads.
We're in the Crown Estate.
Crown Estate, and it's beautiful here, and lovely. Bit of gales, force winds are quite gusty though, 30 miles per hour at times, so take care if you're walking around across the county, so locally around the county of Berkshire today. Of course we are in the county of Berkshire more or less, but this is beautiful, really lovely. So take care, thumbs up, subscribe to Sean Sun Gems. This is my friends Marky and Jimbo on the ITF Friday thing on Surrey Hills Radio Station, Friday 3 to 5 PM now. Doing this with like 50, 700. And listen to me on the last show every Sunday at 9 to 12 PM, which I'm Matt on the Working Radio Station show. Hope you like this video, please thumbs up, please subscribe to Sean Sun Gems. I'll be happy.